Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a tie-dye shirt for me and my mom. So right now I'm putting on my gloves so that I don't get dye on my hands. So now I'm just going to roll the shirt around so that I can make my design. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some rubber bands. So yeah, they're a guide to help me with my shirt design. Okay, so I got my gloves back on, and now I'm just going to choose whatever color I want and spray it. Got pink, blue, and yellow. And now I'm going to spray all the colors on the white shirt. Okay, so here I am putting some colors on a t-shirt for my mom. Okay, so now I'm just gonna flip them around. Okay, so I'm gonna take the t-shirts and I'm gonna put them into a plastic bag and leave them in for 6 to 8 hours. So it is the next day, and I'm just going to be washing out the shirts as much as possible. So first I'm taking off the rubber bands, and now I'm going to wash them. Okay, so here I am putting the shirts into the washing machine. I got the detergent and the softener. Okay, so I closed it. Now it is done. So now I'm going to just put it in the dryer with a dryer sheet. Result of my tie-dye shirt. I really like it. I like the colors, the purple, the blue, and the yellow. Looks really nice. And here is the tie-dye shirt that I made for my mom. Really nice. It has a yellow, orange, blue, and green, and it looks really pretty. So I obviously really recommend this tie-dye kit. It looks great. I really recommend you guys getting it. So I hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up because I really liked what I did. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell button right beside the subscribe button so that you can get notifications every time I post.